Today let's discuss on the topic WLL, Wireless Local Loop. It's a third generation technology, and let's see what is wireless local loop is. Wireless local loop is a wireless connectivity from local telephone station to a wired PSTN phone at home. So in normal cases, the wired connection PSTN telephone is connected to the local telephone station through the copper wire. We use copper wire to connect the telephone station to our phone. But in WLL, there will not be any copper wire connectivity. It will be wirelessly connected. And in fixed wireless access system means the telephone station to the phone at our home, the wireless local loop is WLL is popular. So this WLL is otherwise called fixed wireless loop. In short, the function of WLL is to make the primary access or connection to the telephone local telephone station wirelessly. So that's why it is called wireless local loop. Wireless local loop, the connectivity can be of two types: narrowband wireless local loop and broadband wireless local loop. Narrowband means it will provide the voice transmission, and in broadband WLL we can have the high speed two-way voice and data services. So that is the difference between narrowband WLL and broadband WLL. How it works? Let's see how it can be It will be connecting the local station to the telephone. So obviously there will be a radio signals will be supporting the connectivity from the local station to the telephone. So this radio signals will act as a substitute for our copper wire, and this radio signals will support the connectivity of our telephone to the local station. And most of the time the technology we use in WLL is the CDMA technology. And here we can see the WLL configuration. And there will be a the local station switching center, and to the antenna it will be connected wired through using copper wires. And from the antenna to the telephone at home or at office or at buildings, big buildings, the connectivity will be wirelessly. And this wirelessly means it will be using the radio signals. The WLL, it can use FDMA access, FDMA or CDMA or TDMA, but in India most of the time we use CDMA connectivity. The features of WLL is better quality of service, compatible with other cellular technologies, and scalability. Any number of telephones can be connected to the WLL, already existing WLL. Cost of the wireless equipment is less and easy installation. They have good scale of installation. Let's see the difference between WLL and the normal mobile systems. You know all the details about the mobile systems, like it will connect people on move. While traveling we can use our mobile phones, and anywhere, anytime we can use our mobile phone, and the voice quality we can guarantee it will be always the best or better. And traffic per subscriber is supposed not to be very high. Depending upon the bandwidth of the system, system, the number of subscribers may be mostly it will be limited. And now the wireless local loop. The service of subscribers, they serve the subscribers at home or offices. Means at different buildings, the telephones, we can connect the telephones to the station, switching center wirelessly. The voice quality will be much better than the normal mobile system, and it will provide long conversation facility and high traffic support. But the thing it is, we will not be able to use this WLL on move. The range of the system WLL is not that wide as is limited, not that wide as our mobile phone networks. Types of WLL. There are two types of WLL techniques. It is called first one LMDS and the second one MMDS. LMDS means local multi-point distribution service. MMDS means multi-channel multi-point distribution service.